What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. I got a request to go over Aerobud on base, which we will be doing today without even drawing any lines. It already looks pretty dang good. A lot of coins are starting to break out from their long-term downtrend, and this one's doing the exact same thing. But we're going to be going over a little bit of a deep dive on this. We're going to draw some lines. We're going to scribble on the screen. We're going to talk some big charting words. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Aerobud. All right, everybody, let's get into Aerobud right here. As we can see, according to Bird Eye, we do have a 1.2 $100,000 million market cap. There is 100,000 million, 1 billion coins in circulation, 296 million whole or thousand holders. If we look at their Twitter, we can kind of see how active they are on Twitter, which is a big important thing in my personal opinion. You need to be active on your socials. They did post 4 hours ago. They did post on the 22 hours ago, on the 11th, on the 10th. So they are maintaining activity on their Twitter, which is awesome. That's the best way to engage with your community and showing that you're active. Be alive on the Telegram, be alive on Twitter. That's great. Let's see how their website looks. Does their website look like crap, or does it look good? Whoa, I'm blinded. Holy cow, I'm blinded. Aerobud, here we are. Pretty legit. Lock liquidity, renounce contract, attack 00, charity wallet, a bunch of cool stuff down here. So go there and you can check it out. Now let's get to the TA. TA right now, it does look like we have finally broken out from our downtrend from our prior high of June of 2024. Finally doing something. A lot of coins are doing the exact same thing, breaking out of long-term downtrends. But what does this mean for us? Well, if we draw our fibs from the high to the low right here, I have to draw a little bit different now that we're on a different charting software, is we are getting rejected off the 382 right now at about 00138. So that is a current area that we need to focus on overtaking, is at 0013. Our next main support's all the way down here at 0008. So we do not want to see a heavy retracement right here. Let me see. Oh, it's all locked, so I can't do anything. My deck screener isn't working, so I'm kind of using Bird Eye to chart this. Once the deck screener starts working again, we'll go back to that. But as of right now, we got rejected off that 382. Keep an eye on a slight retracement. If we do retrace off the short-term fib from the high to the low, you have a couple different support areas to keep an eye on, which is the first one, the 618 at about 001. Second one's the 0.5 at 001. And the third one's at 382 at 0009. Now, the great part about this is we definitely have our trend reversal taking place since October of 2024. That's kind of when the bottom has been in, and that's when we put in our higher highs and higher lows. You kind of see we did smash into our uptrend resistance area right here, which is kind of confirming confirming that the top for the short term is most likely in. We're going to be seeing a slight correction, not a large correction, a slight one, because in my personal opinion, we are in the fun part of the bull run. We're at the very beginning of the fun part, which is a lot less harsher pullbacks and a lot more bullish movement to the upside. So in the meantime, keep an eye on those micro support areas. In that case, however, I do think Aerobud is looking very solid. Not financial advice, but if you haven't gotten in yet and you're looking to get into Aerobud, this might be the last good correction to get in before it starts making its next higher leg up, because we are starting that step up pattern. And step up pattern, every step gets larger and larger until it just goes straight up. So this might be the last good pullback to get in until we start making some major dollars on Aerobud. So Aerobud doesn't look bad. I don't own any base coins whatsoever, but overall the chart's looking pretty solid. A lot of charts are looking like this finally, that they're breaking out. So we're at the beginning of the fun part of the bull run, guys. So with that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.